My name is Maeling Parrish. I am a Dean of Education for Gelish. I'm also the Director of Education for North America Gelish. Here in Kansas City, what we're doing is we're further educating our educators. I like that I am able to take an educator from a regular manicurist or nail tech and expand what they do so that they have knowledge of how to do it, but how the products are made, what they're made of, and then they can take that information and share it with other nail techs. I think the most rewarding thing coming to trainings and having the educators excited to be here, excited to learn, is to see them excel, because this is the opportunity for them to go a step above and learn new products and try to certify at a higher level. Maeling Parrish, and I'm Dean of Education, Director of Education for North America.